Hello traders, in this review I'll be taking a look at the Greezly Bot Pro EA for MT4 and MT5. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now let us head over to the information we have here on the MQL5 Marketplace page and see what the expert advisor has to offer. Right away, we can see that the Greezly Bot Pro EA is available for both MT4 and MT5. This is actually the MT5 version, but if you need the MT4 version, you can just do a quick search for that if you're using the MetaTrader 4 platform. All right, and then the price of the EA is 2,500 US dollars, and the current version shown here is version 1. All right, that's for the MT5 version, and then it was updated. Okay, there is no update here, but activations, it has 5 activations. Now as I go through the marketplace description, the developer presents this as a fully automated trading expert advisor, all right, with what is described as a conservative approach. All right, you can see this is a conservative advisor. The developer also mentions that the EA is based on 14 years of experience, although the exact details behind that experience are not discussed further within the listing. Okay, so looking further, we can also see some important recommendations regarding the usage. The developer states that the best results are achieved on EURUSD, although the settings can be adjusted for other instruments as well. The recommended time frame range is from M1 to M15, which gives traders some flexibility depending on their preferred setup. Now, one of the key points mentioned in the description is that the EA uses candlestick analysis to determine trade direction. This is one of the core elements specifically disclosed by the developer and serves as part of the decision-making process behind trade entries. The marketplace page also explains that the system trades using an averaging method. The developer states that the volume is increased gradually as part of that approach. Now, since averaging is specifically mentioned in the description, it is important for traders to understand how position management may differ compared to systems that use only single entries. Risk management guidance is also provided. The developer recommends using 0.01 lots for every $1,500 to $2,000, and additionally suggests adjusting trade step values after the 4th and 6th trades to help reduce to help reduce risk exposure. Now, these recommendations are presented directly within the marketplace documentation and are worth reviewing carefully before testing. Another important note is that the developer openly acknowledges that drawdowns can occur during trading. According to the description, periods of drawdown are considered a normal part of the system's operation, and the EA is designed to work through those periods over time. Now, let's quickly move into the backtesting section. When reviewing historical backtest results, I always prefer to focus on the overall behavior of the system rather than simply looking at the final profit figure. Historical testing gives us insight into how the EA responded during the selected period, but it's only one part of the evaluation process. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Now, briefly looking at what we have here, the EA recorded a growth of over 3,370, about 3,370% from December 2021 to January 2023. And we can also see here from an initial deposit of $100, profit of 3,370.51 over 55 weeks. All right, and that's just about that. So let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA performed over the past 5 months in 2026. So we are testing the Greezly Bot Pro EA on EURUSD on the M15 time frame, and of course we're testing from the beginning of 2026 till date. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and then as for the modeling, we are using the every tick modeling. All right, so let's quickly look at the backtest results. From what I can see here, no trade was taken. Let me quickly go to the journal. Let's see, was there any particular reason why no trade was taken? I can't find any particular error message here. Okay, I don't see an error message per se. All right, so let's just quickly do something. I'm going to turn on the visual mode and start the test again. All right, let's just see the EA in action basically. So looking at the historical chart activity, we'll be expecting the behavior to be consistent with the information provided by the developer, right? Since the EA uses candlestick analysis and an average and an averaging approach, it is reasonable to focus on how positions were grouped and managed throughout the testing period rather than concentrating on individual trades in isolation. Now, there is one thing I just observed up here at the top left. This could be the reason why no trade was executed. This is what I think is the reason. The term has expired. Contact your personal manager. It's possible that the file currently available here, for testing, it is possible maybe it needs updating, right? Because for us to see this message, um perhaps the developer might need to update the EA. But let's just continue with trying to understand how the EA actually works in case of if you are interested in it. It is very, very important to backtest this EA before considering live usage. Okay, so since the EA uses candlestick analysis and an averaging approach, it's actually reasonable to focus on how positions were grouped and managed throughout the testing period. And beyond the information provided in the marketplace listing, no additional strategy details are disclosed. So it is important not to speculate on the exact entry or exit calculations. As with any automated trading system, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. Actual results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization. Overall, Greezly Bot Pro EA presents itself as an automated trading system for MT4 and MT5 that combines candlestick analysis with an averaging methodology while providing specific recommendations regarding lot sizing, risk management, and trading setup. As always, I recommend conducting your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. So that is my review of the Greezly Bot Pro EA for MT4 and MT5. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.